Such a great heater. I don't know if you can see or not, but it comes about to my knee, and I'm about 5 foot. Puts out such a lot of heat for being so small in size. Perfect for what I need. I have grandkids that come over all the time. It has oscillation, timer, different modes. You can lock it, which is great, on the temperature up and down. When you go to hit the power off, it counts down to shut off, so it gives it time to cool down. Just an overall great heater. We'll hit the mode. It displays. Oh, here comes my baby girl. She wants to see what's going on in the picture here. But has different levels of heat, of course, you know, high, 1, 2, 3. But all in all, such a great heater. I would definitely purchase another one if I needed to, but this one's been absolutely fantastic so far. I'd highly recommend.